Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need owner or editor access to remove protection. If you lack it, request access now. Open the spreadsheet, then go to Data and choose Protected Sheets and Ranges. Once the sidebar appears, click each listed protection to reveal its details. You're looking for the specific range or sheet name and the permission line that shows who set it. Now that you've found the protection entry, you're ready to change permissions or delete it. Proceed to adjust settings in that protection panel. Once you're in the protection entry, click Edit Permissions to see allowed editors. If you're the owner, remove protection by clicking the trash icon or change permissions to include collaborators. Make sure to pick Custom and add specific emails if you want controlled access instead of full removal. If you're not the owner, click Request Edit and explain why, or immediately make a copy via File, make a copy to get an editable version. Keep transitions smooth so collaborators understand what changed. After deleting or changing the protection, test by editing the formerly locked cell, make a small change and save. If edits still fail, inspect the sheet for sheet-level protections or multiple overlapping protected ranges. Remove or adjust those too. Also confirm you actually have editor rights and that the sheet isn't owned by a different account. If problems persist, contact the owner directly and ask them to remove protections or grant explicit access. This single check often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.